Aishwarya and welcome to a brand new video. Guys, so today's video is for all my shy girls out there who just don't like to show their whole face in the photos or who just like peekaboo kind of a photos. Personally for me, even I enjoy such kind of photos and it was so fun to shoot this video because the pictures came out to be so beautiful. I just can't wait to share it with you guys. And yeah, so today's video is a no face / self-portrait photo ideas at home which you can take all by yourself without taking anybody's help and without even using a tripod. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my rules. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman.
So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing. It would totally mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.